Manchester United are linked with a number of attacking players and once again, the name of Memphis Depay is in the limelight. As per today's version of Sport, the Dutch international caught end up returning to Old Trafford this month. Memphis Depay's current contract with Barcelona will expire in 6 months. The Spanish news source have mentioned that the Blaugrana do not want to lose him for free and would like to get a fee in the current transfer window. On the other hand, the Netherlands attacking midfielder wants a letter of freedom to leave the La Liga giants. This season, the 28-year-old has only made for international competition under Sapi and need to exit the new camp to play regular first-team football. Manchester United recently parted ways with Cristiano Ronaldo and are looking at options to strengthen the attack. The former PSV Eindhoven man, who earned around £254,000 per week, was a key member of the Dutch squad that reached the quarter-final of the FIFA World Cup in Qatar. Sport claimed Manchester United, who have already negotiated with the player in the summer, do not intend to spend any cash to reinforce the offense and would like a loan deal. Memphis Depay, who can effectively play as a left winger and as a striker, failed in his first stint with the Red Devil. He only scored 7 goals in over 50 games for the club. Do you think he would excel under the management of Erik ten Hag?